You can definitely see the weather change already, and that's what we're looking at right now. And I'm literally like 3 miles away from my house, and hopefully this machine's gonna work and take my card. Bad card read? Yeah, nice. Can't see nothing. I did try again. Yay! Big Black is very thirsty. Come on, what do you mean wait a moment? Come on. Damn wait. $2.73, or actually it's $2.74. Come on. You're waiting for it. So right now it's a good time to kind of just walk around Big Black and make sure everything's all set. Of course, Big Black is all set. Big Black literally is always all set. I mean, come on, look at this thing. This thing is a thing of beauty here. Still going. I guess the prices aren't that bad here. So here's the prices for Plymouth, Mass. Filling up with some good old diesel. What's all this junk? All these commercials now that you see at the gas station. Now they have all these like TV screens and stuff. You can watch TV as you're, I guess, filling up your truck. Whatever. Getting there. Listen to that sound. Isn't that a beautiful sound? I don't know. Just having some fun. Still going. It's getting close. I can hear it. Hey, look at that. Wow. Now, how does it stop right there at $76? That never happens. Do I want a receipt? Sure, why not? Oh, all right. Beautiful. All right, so, yeah, we're off. So I just got in contact with my buddy, and he sent me pictures from outside his, I think his deck, and they have snow. And this is probably going to be one of those garbage snowstorms where obviously it's been raining first, and then now we've got the stuff just kind of, I guess, piling onto that. So, yeah, you know, it's the bennies. It's the bennies of being a snow removal service technician. So here's the change in the current weather situation, as we kind of figured, because obviously as you get more inland, the snow is hitting just a touch more. But I don't know, just be careful out there. Roads are slick. Why'd I just say be careful out there? Roads are slick. When whoever's seeing this video, it's not going to apply to them. This is what's nice about having such a large touchscreen like what's on here on my truck, is that I'm multitasking. Yeah, we're looking at 8:35. It's like one of those times when you just gotta like get out of your truck because you've been sitting in the seat for just way too long. So the stuff is just not stopping. We did have a little bit of a break, but you can see people are actually coming in now, messing things up. But here you go, here's some piles. Here's some creation piles here. Got my nice push-off area right here. But look at BigBlack though, huh? Look at that thing. That thing is a thing of beauty right there. And what the heck was that? That sounded like a nice hit from a manhole cover. There you go. There you go. I see him right there. He just nailed that manhole cover. Oh my God. Yeah, he just hit it again. He's just going for it. Just take that manhole cover right off. But look at BigBlack, man. I'm telling you. So, do these get iced up? Yeah, just a little bit. Not much though. And the snow's been pretty bad, so we'll just give it a quick little wipe off. But yeah, they actually do pretty good. So here's kind of proof on those Hikari LEDs, whether if they freeze over or whatever. So you can see the bulbs that are not on, yes, they do have ice on them right now, but guess what? The ones that don't, the ones that are actually on, right there. Same thing on this side, some snow on that lens right there, nice and clear on that side. So I think with how I've done these Hikari bulbs, I don't have any freezing issues. And I mean, that's even during, you know, well, I mean, if you get like whiteout conditions, I mean, it's not gonna matter what bulb you have, but at least for this truck right here, those ones work absolutely perfect. So yeah, that's it, just proof. So I just thought I would, I'd throw you an update. Like I said, BigBlack is doing phenomenal as usual. I mean, come on. BigBlack always does phenomenal. Anyway, so if you like these episodes from RC Guy Garage, formerly known as What's Up Guy Garage, just doing some snow plowing, and yeah, not everybody gets this kind of white gold, but we do.